This is our Airsoft Arsenal.
First, we're going to talk about our Sig Sauer CO2 pistol. Shoots about 350 feet per second. There's a safety. It's not loaded, obviously. Magazine catch release. And overall, it's a pretty good gun. I got it for $55 at Dick's, so I'd definitely recommend you getting this if you want a good pick for backup.
And now this is my Smith & Wesson Springfield CO2 pistol. It shoots 380 FPS, and there's no CO2 in it right now, but there's like the safeties right here, magazine catch, and then there are the sights. Alright. And then here is my JP41 airsoft gun. Red dot sights are on it right now. And this is the battery. It shoots about 370 FPS.
And it has a 10.8 volt battery, so
yep.
Shoots around, I don't know, 800 or 900 rounds a minute.
Yep.
Pretty good.
I also have a really small magazine that is about 190. Then I have my 300 round magazine right here. Then here's our Classic Army M16. It shoots 370 FPS. Pull that back. It's silver. 300 round magazine. Here's the sightings. And right now it's on safety, now it's on semi, now it's on auto. And then there's the magazine release. Alright.
This is my Aries Scar. This gun was $500. I don't recommend you buy it if you're a starter or in your medium range of airsoft money. So there's this exposes the hop up right there, and when you hit this button, the thing flies forward. So it's pretty cool. Here's the sights. It's basically an M16. Now it's on safety, semi, auto. This gun, the stock can fold out, so if you want to be a sniper and put a scope on it, that's fine. And it has a rate of fire about 750 rounds a minute at 380 feet per second. And this is our most prized possession. Maybe y'all know what this is. I've already made a video on it. It's a Browning M1919. Here's our barrel. We drilled holes in it. It's all spray painted black. We took the sight from our Scar and put it on this, so because we didn't really need to make a sight, we put 2 grips on it to make it more comfortable to hold. And this thing doesn't do anything. If y'all have watched the video before, you should know just a little bit about it. And this thing flips open. It's an M14 inside. We built the box out of metal. And there's the M14. And y'all probably seen a video on this before. If you haven't, it's homemade Browning airsoft gun. Go check it out. It has a video of us shooting it. So it's pretty good. It shoots 330 feet per second. It's our M14 that we bought in February. It's TSD, by the way, if y'all wondering the brand. And at about, shoots around 600 rounds a minute. And here's our safety. It's off, on, off. And the magazine, we have an M14 magazine, and it sticks out. It looks kind of dumb, but we have a Browning. So
there's our Airsoft Arsenal.